Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video on how to recognize what kind of equation we're looking at when it comes in in series format. Now, what's very important to notice is I don't tell you anything about what it is. Is it arithmetic? Is it geometric? Is it neither on these situations? So I need you to recognize that so you could do these quickly with the shortcuts. You could check that onto your equations in the Google Classroom. They're posted there with all the equations. So to quickly analyze this one, I just look at it and see, this looks like a linear equation. Now, a linear equation is very familiar to our arithmetic or arithmetic equations. Because I recognize this as an arithmetic equation, I don't actually have to find 1 through 20 and add them all up. I can use the shortcut. The sum of n equals n times a1 plus a20, or an in this case, an, over 2. And for this one, you're going to plug in 20 for n and then solve it out. Now you realize, wait a second, I don't know what a1 is or a of 20. You just plug in 1, so a of 1 equals 4 times 1 plus 1 equals 5. You just plug in a of 20, 4 times 20 plus 1, which is going to be 40 plus 20, 81. And now I'm just going to plug it into the equation here very quickly. 20 times 5 plus 81 over 2. 5 plus 81 is going to be 86. 86 divided by 2 is going to be 43. And 43 times 20 is going to be 80, or I should write it here, 860. So your answer for this one is 860. Which is a lot faster than going through term 1 and 20 and adding them all up. Over here, this should look more clear and recognizable as a geometric sequence. So for this one, we can see it's a geometric sequence. And we could use our shortcut. So instead of doing from 1 to 20, we could just use our shortcut, which is S of n equals a1 times 1 minus r to the n power over 1 minus r. So that is going to be S of 20, and I know it's 20 because of the number on top, equals a1. I know from my equation that a1 is going to be 3. 1 minus, I know my r is going to be 4 to the n power. Oh, no, I know what my n power is, the 20th, over 1 minus 4. 3 times 4 to the 20th power is going to be this humongous number. I won't make it up to 20, but something along the lines of 1.09 times 10 to the 12th power. This might not be the best example because I will not give you something that will force you to go into scientific notation. But you would normally solve it out normally. 3 divided by 3, that's going to cancel out. So your answer is going to be 1.09 times 10 to the 12th. Not the best example because I made my number way too high. But on the test, it won't be high enough that you need to use scientific notation. Your calculators will be able to handle it. So please don't forget your calculators. Please don't forget the equations. And please know how to use them. This is just to help you recognize which equation to use.